Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I would like to share how I prepare Ogbono with okra soup. This soup is super packed with fiber and nutrients, and if you are interested, join me in my kitchen and let us cook and enjoy together. And make sure you try this recipe and give me the feedback and let me know how you like it. Hello and welcome to my kitchen, and the ingredients that we need to prepare this ogbono with okra and fresh tilapia fish are, here we have the main ingredient, which is ogbono powder. I have here we have crayfish, prawn and dry fish blend together. Here we have the pepper, the Scotch bonnet pepper. We have salt here, Maggi cubes, ogbono blended with crayfish. We have onion to boil the fish. We have red oil, palm oil, and here is the shrimp. I'm going to add some shrimp, dry fish which have been cleaned, and this is fresh tilapia fish. I'm going to boil it. This one is okra. This is very good, okra. Then I'm going to use fresh mushroom as well. This soup is going to be packed with nutrients. Here I'm going to use baby kale. Here I'm going to use the baby kale. Baby kale is usually sweet, tastes sweet, it's very fresh. Baby kale. Okay. So now I'm going to parboil the fish. Okay, the fish has been cleaned, it has been washed, so I'm going to put it in the pot. I'm going to put them in the pot. Now add some onion. And that's good. And I'm going to add some salt. Just one Maggi cube. And I'm going to add a little water to it to steam it. And I'll put this on the stove. This one is the baby kale. You can use any vegetable of your choice. You can use any vegetable that you like. But now we are using baby kale. You can use spinach, you can use ogbono. So you can use bitter leaf. You can use ugu. You can use any vegetable that is available. But this is what I can lay my hands on, and I don't want to use bitter leaf. Yeah, the fish has been boiling. Just need to boil it, so when it's cooked, then going to take it out of the pot. So the fish is done cooking. I'm going to take it out and set it in the plate. And it's very delicate. You just have to take them out gently so that everything don't break apart. Okay, now we are going to start cooking the soup. Now I have some little fish stock left in the pot. I'm going to add the fish, the dry fish. I'm going to add some water to it. Add some pepper. Adding the palm oil, and that's good. That's enough. Yes. So I just put the fish and some water in the pot, added with the fish stock. Now I'm going to let this cook up until the oil is blended together. Fish with a prawn with the dry fish. This is going to cook the next one. I like that to cook. Okra is, we're not going to let the okra, cook to be too soft. We're going to leave it to let it be a little crunchy. So right now I'm going to add the mushroom to it as well. The mushroom is very good, especially for those if you don't like meat, too much meat. Mushroom is a very good alternative for people that don't like meat. Yeah, mushroom is very nutritious. Very, very tasty, very, very healthy. Yeah, yes. So I'm not going to cover it. I'm going to just leave it open because of the okra. Because if you cover okra on the fire, if you cover okra, it's going to just turn brown. It will turn brown. So we leave it and let it continue to steam. This soup doesn't take time to cook because everything is fresh. So you don't leave it too long on the stove. You just, let let it catch up the fast fire, and everything is, will be okay. Okay, now the okra and the mushroom has been steaming for like 5 minutes. As I said, I'm not gonna let them catch so much because I still want the okra to be crunchy. I want the okra to remain crunchy. I'm going to spray in my ogbono powder. I'm going to spray the ogbono powder into it. Just like this. Spread it down. It's not gonna lump. Spread it and stir it up. One thing about ogbono is that after you finish cooking, after you take it off from the stove, it thickens up more. So once you don't allow it to stay too long, it thickens up more. Yes, that's it. I'm going to add the Maggi seasoning. And now I'm going to put in my ogbono with the crayfish. Next thing to go in is my vegetables. I'm putting in the vegetable and the fish last because the fish has been cooked and I don't want the fish to be mashed up. Ready to go with any swallow, or you can just put some in your plate and sit down and gob it up with your spoon. This is so fresh and so tasty. It's fresh and tasty.